Welcome to Friday Friendly Kitchen. Greetings once again. And in today's video I'm going to show you a tutorial video, not a recipe, but it's part of a recipe. So how to roast the cumin seeds and ground them into powder. Because in our recipe sometimes calls for cumin powder and so on. So the roasted cumin powder tastes much more better in our dishes. So let's see how this can be done. For this I have taken a quarter cup of cumin seeds. I repeat again, quarter cup of cumin seeds, dried cumin seeds, and with this I'm going to show you the next steps. Dear viewers, and in our next step, to start off with, for the roasting, you have to turn on your stove to a medium low. I repeat, you have to preheat the pan to a medium low heat while you are roasting. So this is one of the tricks. Dear viewers, the pan is already being heated up, so it's time to add the cumin seeds. Slowly just stir it until it changes its color. And as you can smell the aroma coming out, that means it is already been roasted. For the moment, I am not smelling anything, but I will be smelling and I will tell you the indication. Color is getting changed. It is a little darker brown compared to the earlier color, and we will still continue roasting. And dear viewers, it is ready, and you can see it starts to smoke. That means the cumins are already been roasted, and so now we can remove them. And dear viewers, do not leave them in the pan. We have to cool them off, but do not leave them in the pan. Remove them in a container and let it cool. So I will dish out and then I'll come and we'll do the next process. Dear viewers, I have already dished out, and now I am waiting for it to get cool. It is still warm and I have to wait until it's cool off completely, and we are going to grind them. And it's been grounded. Now we can dish it out. and viewers, I have them grounded, and I have some, but I just wanted to make a video to show you how to grind this, and now I can add them. It's always good to grind and keep them in your home and label them so that you know it is roasted, and use them time to time as whatever recipes they require. And there we go. Grounded cumin seeds, which we have roasted them. Thank you very much for this for viewing, and please like and subscribe the channel if you have not, and newcomers, you're always welcome to subscribe, and do not forget to click the bell icon so that whenever we post a video you are notified. Thank you very much for joining us for Friday Friendly Kitchen, and see you in our next video.